All right, to solve this problem, I need to be thinking about my order of operation rules. Our first order of operation rule is to look for parentheses. The second one is we look for multiplication and division and we work from left to right. Our third one is we use addition and subtraction and we go from left to right. So let's remember that as we look at these. In the problem, it asked us to put yes or no if the first thing that you did in the expression was addition. So let's look. Our first one is 6 plus 9, take away 8, take away 1. So remember, I start on my left and I work to the right. So when I do that, the very first operation I come to is addition. So in this one, the answer would be yes, because the very first operation I do is addition. It's what I come to first when I go left to right. So let's look at the second one. I have 8 and 5/10 plus 5 times 2, take away 4. So when we're going from left to right, the very first operation we come to is addition. But remember our rules? Multiplication and division comes before addition and subtraction, and we have multiplication in this expression. So multiplication would be the very first operation we do in this expression. So this one would be no. Our next expression is 35 divided by 7 take away 3 plus 4. Now, we have to remember our first rule is parentheses, and we have parentheses right here. But inside our parentheses, our operation is subtraction. It is not addition. So 7 take away 3 would be the very first operation we do. So the answer would be no. Addition is not the first operation we do in that one. Our next expression was 40 divided by 4 times 4 plus 6. Well, we have division when we go left to right, that's very first, but our first rule is we work in our parentheses very first. So right here is our parentheses, and the operation in our parentheses is addition. So this one would be yes. This one, addition is the first thing that you would do in the expression. Our last one, a little bit longer, we have brackets and we have parentheses. So inside the brackets, we have 27 and 5/10. Take away what we have in parentheses is 9 and 5/10 plus 6, and then we have times 1 and 5/10. So when I look in here, I think of my rules again. First rule, parentheses first. So even though we have these brackets, we have parentheses inside the brackets. So that is still the very first thing I'm going to do. So right here, our parentheses, the very first operation we're going to do, the operation in those parentheses is addition. So this one would be yes. Addition is the first operation that we do.